Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ground chicken tacos. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground chicken, which is perfect for a family meal. Also, have your favorite taco seasoning blend ready, along with any fresh toppings you love, like crisp lettuce, shredded cheese, and zesty salsa. Getting everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add your 1 pound of ground chicken. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's completely browned, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. Then, stir in about 2 tablespoons of your taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water to create a rich, flavorful sauce. With the seasoning added, bring the chicken mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. While the chicken simmers, it's the perfect time to warm your taco shells or tortillas. Follow the package instructions for the best results. Also, arrange all your prepared toppings, ensuring everything is ready for assembly. Now for the best part, assembling your delicious tacos. Take your warm taco shells or tortillas and generously spoon in the seasoned ground chicken mixture. Then pile on your favorite toppings. Think crisp shredded lettuce, a sprinkle of cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, and a spoonful of fresh salsa. Serve these fantastic tacos immediately and enjoy a quick, satisfying, and incredibly tasty meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.